Kimberly. Welcome back to Cross Stitch University. Today we're going to go over confetti stitching. A confetti stitch is a single stitch that stands alone with no stitches around it. And I'm going to show you how to do these four as standalone confetti stitches. Sometimes your confetti stitches are really far away from other stitches where you cannot lock your thread down. So I always start a confetti stitch with the loop method. And just finish your stitch. And we're going to pretend this stitch is not near any other stitches and that there's nothing else to go under. And what I will do to finish is I will just go through this stitch a couple of times. So I'll go vertically, horizontally, vertically, and horizontally. Tug it a couple of times and just cut. And there's your stitch. I'm going to do it 3 more times. Now from here I have a tail left over that's long enough to do a single stitch. So I'm going to use the thread we previously had. So this is how you would do a confetti stitch if it's standalone. These are actually pretty close to other stitches. So another way that you could stitch it, and the only reason I'm going to do it this way is because I'm using white thread that's not going to peek through to the front. If you had a dark thread, I would definitely not travel this much or you will have big pieces showing through to the front. So I'm going to start with the loop method. And then I'm going to travel over here to do this stitch. Now once this stitch is finished, you just want to make sure you don't see that white thread, and you don't because it's a lighter thread, so you can travel. Now to finish off, you can either finish as a confetti stitch or you can run your stitch under either the blue or the gray that are nearby. So I will just run this thread under the white stitch and the gray stitches. And that is how you work with confetti stitches. And just remember, a lot of patterns will have more space between here and here. And so sometimes you might have a confetti stitch that's way over here all by itself, and that's how you would do that stitch. So your homework is to finish the confetti stitches and stitch up your trees. Make sure to comment below if you have any questions, because I'm happy to answer them. Subscribe and click the bell to be notified for our next video. Class dismissed.